Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I noticed that my tomato plants that are growing are starting to fall over, so I'm going to try these little tomato clips that I got online. They were suggested by a YouTuber. I'm going to try them, so come with me, let's see if they work. Let's go. Are you going down the slide? Alright, whee! Good job. You're going on it too? Woohoo! Guys, we're having an outside party. Here's this one. Let me try this one. Watch out, don't walk in front of your sisters. There we go. Smart boy. You guys are you're swinging so higher. Very cool. I'm going to remove that from there because it's falling apart. I'm going to turn this area into a soccer field. Let's do it. All right, so I already paid $50 for all of the materials for my greenhouse that's essentially falling apart. So what I decided to do is use the materials for a different purpose. So I'm repurposing the materials. I took the two shelves and I zip tied them right here, and I'm gonna have plants in containers growing on it. Let me show you closer. So I've zip tied it all around, and I plan on having plants with containers on it. Let me show you. It works very well. Awesome. Love it. Great. So, awesome. What are you guys doing? Oh, you're stepping on my plastic bricks. Are they working? Yay!
I will come back over there.
Oh, I'm coming over to where you are, baby girl. Look, that's a blackberry plant.
Yeah. But don't step on them, they will prick.
Yeah. They definitely have some thorns in them. There's my tomato plants are looking like they might survive. Pretty cool.
I see you.
I see you, baby girl. Thanks for watching. Bye.